Welcome to Excel. I'm going to quickly walk you through how to enter your data and save your file if you haven't used Excel before. Now, first thing to know, your version of Excel may look slightly different than mine, but the same basic things are going to hold in any case. Welcome to Excel. For those of you who have not had to enter data in Excel before, I'm going to walk you quickly through how to enter your data for the Ning assignment and how to save your file. The basic format of Excel is the same across all versions. Yours may not look exactly like mine, but it will look fairly similar. The first thing you're going to want to do is to save your file with your own name. To do that, come up to the ribbon up here, click on File, click Save As, pick the folder you want to save it in, the place you want it saved. If you're working online, you may not have that option. And you will add your name to this. So I'm going to put an underscore and I'm going to write Pamela Scheffler. Okay, and then I click Save, and now I have my own personally named copy of this on my file. You will notice there are 3 tabs here at the bottom. One for your favorite animal, one for the weather preference, and one that's just an example of how you should enter your data. I'm going to give you an example of how to enter. So if I were entering favorite animals, maybe someone had dogs and I had counted 8 students whose favorite animal was a dog. Another bunch of students liked cats. There were 2 students who liked cats. Students liked horses. Maybe 5 students liked horses. As soon as I am done entering that, I hit enter and it holds it. So I go through and I do that column by column for all of my data. Periodically while I'm doing this, I'm going to hit the save button so that I don't lose it. And when I am done entering all of the data, both for animals and weather, maybe it's sun, and I will then hit save one final time and submit my assignment.